What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the new Apple Password app. Apple's new Passwords app, introduced with the iOS 18, revolutionizes password management for iPhones, iPad, and Mac users. Featuring end-to-end encryption, a user-friendly interface, and proactive security alerts, the app simplifies credential management while enhancing online security. With the support for passkeys and password sharing, it offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining strong and secure passwords across devices. Now, let's dive into its top features. Centralized Credential Hub. Apple's Passwords app consolidates all your passwords, passkeys, Wi-Fi credentials, and security codes into one accessible interface. This centralization simplifies the management of credentials, making it easier for users to find and organize their login information. With a clean design similar to other Apple apps, it enhances usability and encourages better security practices through easy access to all necessary credentials. Password Autofill. The app integrates seamlessly with autofill features, allowing users to automatically enter their saved passwords and passkeys into websites and apps. This functionality streamlines the login process, saving time and reducing frustration associated with manual entry. By facilitating quick access to credentials, it enhances the overall experience of users and encourages the adoption of secured password practices. Advanced security features. Apple Passwords employs end-to-end encryption and biometric authentication to protect user data. It also provides real-time breach alerts, notifying users if their passwords have been compromised in data leaks. These advanced security measures ensure that sensitive information remains secure while promoting proactive management of password health, thus enhancing overall cybersecurity for users. Cross-platform compatibility. The Passwords app is not limited to Apple devices. It can also be accessed on Windows through the iCloud app and Chrome extension. This cross-platform compatibility allows users to manage their credentials seamlessly across different operating systems. By bridging the gap between Apple and non-Apple platforms, it ensures that users can maintain their security practices regardless of their device choice. Passkey management. Apple Passwords supports the creation and management of passkeys, which offer a secure passwordless login experience. Users can easily create, edit, and share passkeys across their Apple devices, enhancing convenience while maintaining security. By encouraging the use of passkeys, the app promotes modern authentication methods that reduce reliance on traditional passwords, aligning with evolving security standards. Now, let's discuss some potential drawbacks. Limited features. While the Apple Passwords app offers essential password management functionalities, it lacks advanced features found in established third-party managers such as secure notes and customizable password generation. Users accustomed to these tools may find the app insufficient for their needs, leading to frustration. This limitation could deter users from fully adopting the app as their primary password manager. Device dependency. The Passwords app is primarily designed for Apple devices, which restricts its accessibility for users on the other platforms like Android or Windows. This dependency can limit sharing capabilities and create challenges for those who frequently switch between devices. Users may feel locked into Apple ecosystem, making it inconvenient to collaborate with non-Apple users. Security concerns. Although the app employs strong encryption, its security is ultimately tied to the user's device and passcode. If a user has a weak passcode or if their device is compromised, all stored passwords could be at risk. Unlike standalone password managers that offer a master password and additional security layers, Apple's approach may leave users vulnerable to unauthorized access. In conclusion, Apple's Passwords app offers a user-friendly and secure solution for managing passwords, particularly for those within the Apple ecosystem. While it may lack some advanced features of third-party managers and has device limitations, its strong security measures and convenience make it a worthwhile option for many users seeking simplified password management. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.